Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Monday, August 24th, 2026. Let's take a look at the charts. Start with the big picture. It was the settlement 5 weeks ago. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes. Below the 382.73 18-month channel bottom that indicated likely bearish continuation into the 220s, 228.24 over a 3 to 5 month basis. And I still hold to that, and I will continue to hold to that possibility over the next, well, as long as we're below this narrowing zone of resistance. I don't see a reason to go long Tesla long term, which for me is a 3 to 5 month time horizon, unless we close also above this 416.03 descending channel top that stems back to early part of this year. So this is a narrowing zone, 382.73 rising, 416.03 dropping. They converge entirely, pretty much the middle of October, can absorb buying through the rest of the year, and below which, yes, I do think this market is very susceptible to falling into the 220s, 228.24 over the next 3 to 5 months, so much that I think you can still be, or at least intend to set a short position in the low 380s. Now, we've had some buy signals recently. Let's back up just a little bit more and just remind you that we tested a near to midterm support that we had targeted as a 3 to 5 week objective. We reached that in 1 week, this descending 291.81 channel bottom. They both line up perfectly as they would, because it is a wave count. At some point, the channel will line up perfectly with the wave count itself, and they do so this week. The low 290s, are we going to see them anytime soon? I can tell you that right now, that if we close below this new channel bottom at 342.48, then yes, over the following 2 to 3 weeks, I would expect a retest of the low 290s. Until then, holding above 342.48 maintains upward momentum. Now, I don't think we show it here, but we did close above this descending channel bottom last week, and we've seen follow through as a result of it, as anticipated. There is an upside channel at 365.72 today, just a session containment level, but we could top out here and fall back to channel support at 342.48 within 3 to 5 days. So if you're a 3 to 5 day swing trader, I have no problem in just very delicately, carefully playing the short side. We are expecting 382.73 as a 1 to 2 week target, and I wish we showed that on the charts, but there's only so much room here. It is once again this descending channel bottom we settled back above last week. I think it was Wednesday, and Thursday we held above it a bit, and Friday we saw the upside follow through as anticipated, the 382.73. Upside, if we push or perhaps open today. If we open today above 365.72, I do think 382.73 is in reach today. And this is, once again, that former channel bottom, 382.73, that can contain buying through September into later year, and from here we can fall away. So if you're looking for an area to set a short position on strength, it is 382.73. How you then sort of square that with 416.03 is really entirely up to you and your trading style and how you like to trade. Perhaps you scale into a long-term short position that begins at 382.73 and ends at 416.03, and you hold that short position. Maybe you average out at, 395 or 405, whatever the case may be. You hold that so long as you do not close above 416.03, because from here we can fall away aggressively into later year. Closing above 416.03 in the coming weeks is an indication of the 540s, 550s within the following 3 to 5 months. But that is the only scenario in which I am now anticipating the 540s or 550s, possibly by the end of the year, if we can close above 416.03. Once again, 365.72. Opening below it allows it to be sold as a day tradable level, even on a 2 to 3 day swing trade back to 342.48, which is a more meaningful trend-defining support level. Channel bottom, upward momentum remains intact, anticipating 382.73 as a 1 to 2 week target. Make that within 1 to 2 days of closing today above 365.72. Downside, once again, it's not going to happen today, I don't think, but if we did close below 342.48 and you're looking to sell the market, this is a great, actually, chart to show where the market can be sold, either on strength, on a 3 to 5 week, even 3 to 5 month basis at 382.73, or on weakness. On a 2 to 3 week basis, closing below 342.48, we would expect a return to the low 290s, where once again we can bottom out on a monthly basis and round up again. But ultimately, still anticipating the 228.24 level. And if we close below 291.81 this week, which is not going to happen, but if over the next few weeks we do, I think by the end of October we can find ourselves at 228.24, where this market can be bought through the rest of the year and well into next. I think that pretty much covers it. Please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com. Take advantage of our 2-week free trial, and I will be back tomorrow with Tuesday's Tesla Report. You have a great day.
If you're finding value in this analysis, it's only a glimpse of what we offer. Your real trading edge starts at wickedstocks.com. Each week, premium members receive 2 high-probability stock picks. Each one comes with a complete trade plan, including exact entry, profit target, stop loss, and regular updates so you can manage the trade with confidence. You'll also get daily video analysis in the top traded markets, the SPY, the Triple Q, and NVIDIA, highlighting the key price levels, trends, and trade setups we're focused on. Whether you're day trading or swing trading, these insights help you zero in on the highest quality opportunities with clarity.
Start your 2-week free trial and trade with clarity from day one.